Let's go take in all the ambiance and vibes at nighttime at Magic Kingdom. Got home from work about 30 minutes ago, and Joe and I were sitting outside here on the lanai trying to decide what we want to do. It's Saturday night, and we decided we're gonna head on over to Magic Kingdom. That is the perk of being locals. We can just get up and go without even planning on going. So we're gonna go to Magic Kingdom tonight. We're gonna grab something to eat while we're in there. We have no reservations, no rides in mind. We're just gonna see where the night goes. In the summer, we go to the parks more at nighttime, and I just love taking in all the vibes and ambiance. It's like one of my favorite things to do, and I hope it really comes across on the videos. And this is my first time using this camera at nighttime, so I know I'm gonna have to adjust it a little bit. So hopefully everything comes out good, all the footage, and we can get a good nighttime vibe video out for you guys. If you guys are new here, my name is Nicole. I am a Disney local, and I share all my Disney adventures here on YouTube, from the parks, food reviews, and everything in between. If you guys love these kind of videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified anytime that I post a new video. You can be a part of the Daisy Club, and we can become Disney besties. So let's head on over. So I am gonna go get myself together, and then we're gonna head on over to Magic Kingdom for nighttime vibes. To start off our evening at Magic Kingdom, we are starting with dinner, and we are going to eat at Cosmic Ray's Starlight Cafe. I got the spicy fried chicken sandwich, which has a crispy chicken breast, pickle slaw, and spicy aioli on a brioche bun served with french fries for $13.19. We just sat down at Starlight Cafe, and I'm going to show you guys what I got. If I can get it out of this. This is what the crispy chicken sandwich looks like. It has a spicy garlic aioli on it. It looks like it has some kind of coleslaw mixed with the dressing. And look at that chicken. It looks nice and crispy. Let's give this a try. That's a big piece of chicken. All right, we're just going in.
Sorry, my bad. I think I misheard you.
That is really good. I don't know if this is new. It's new to me. I've never seen this on the menu. Usually I just get like a burger or chicken tenders when we come to Starlight Cafe. But this sandwich is really good. And what I do like is that the chicken is nice and thin. It's not too thick, and it is breaded well. And the coleslaw on it is dressed well with that spicy garlic aioli. And because we're sauce people, I asked Joe to get me an extra side of sauce for the spicy garlic aioli. But this is really good. I think this is the best thing I've had here. But we're gonna finish up here, and then we're just gonna be spending the evening at Magic Kingdom and see what we can do. Maybe get on a couple rides and just take in all the Magic Kingdom night vibes. In the summer, we tend to go to the parks more in the evening just because of hot and weather and all that. So it's a beautiful evening, so we're gonna finish this and then we'll continue on Magic Kingdom Day. This may be an unpopular opinion, but I feel like Magic Kingdom just does not have the best sit-down restaurants. But now that I have this chicken sandwich at Cosmic Ray's Starlight Cafe, I will now be able to sit down at a restaurant and be craving something that I love here. So you will have to let me know if you have a favorite sit-down restaurant at Magic Kingdom. First ride is gonna be a Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. Are you excited?
I am.
It says it is a 60-minute wait. I got my stopwatch going, and we'll see how long it takes. It is currently 8:21. The park is open till 11, and The fireworks are at 9, so we're hoping to try to get on some rides like during the fireworks. All right, we are up next, and it took 32 minutes. Not too bad. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
32 minutes it took.
Not bad.
Not too bad.
So fun.
Hi ho! Ho! Hi ho! Off to work we go.
Work we go.
Here we go!
Oh, that was awesome.
We just got done with Seven Dwarfs. We forget how much fun that ride is.
That was a lot of fun.
It's a lot of fun at nighttime. Is this our first time riding it at night?
Yeah, this is our first time riding it that night.
And the fireworks start in 2 minutes, so we almost timed it. I think if it was the full 60 minutes, like it said, we would have made it for the fireworks on there. Yeah.
At least a portion of the fireworks.
Now we are gonna head over to Peter Pan and see how long it takes us to get on that ride. Let's see if we can get some of the popular rides done with while the fireworks are going. Next up is Peter Pan's flight. As you can see, the fireworks are going, and it is a 30-minute wait. And I do have the timer going, so we will see how long it takes.
How's it going, Henry?
Pretty great. How about you?
Thank you. We just got on the ride, and it took 13 minutes.
Pixie dust, and off we go!
Oh, there's Nana. Oh, that was cute.
Nana.
The Lost Boys.
The Lost Boys.
Yay, Peter Pan won.
Our next ride is going to be a Winnie the Pooh. I haven't done this ride in so long, so we're gonna see how long the wait is. Are you ready for Winnie the Pooh?
I think I'm a little nervous.
Oh my gosh.
Kidding.
All right, it says it's a 20-minute wait, so we'll see. Got the stopwatch going. I did start the timer, but add like 30 seconds because I almost forgot to start it. All right, just got on and it took 16 minutes.
We traded places.
Maybe for food. If you ask me, he'll never reach that tree.
Dear, anyone touch me? Look, Mama, look.
Scurrying by mistake, I will just have time to tell you about my Uncle Clyde, a very independent farm owl. Come bounce with me.
That's funny.
Bouncing makes you feel just great, doesn't it? Follow me. I almost bounced right out of the ride. Watch out for the phones and noodles. They still honey. Still honey. Bounce right out of the ride. Apple and noodles. Still honey. Beware.
That's a lot.
I know.
Hooray for Pooh, too.
I start the party without my houses.
I was ready to take in all the nighttime ambiance and vibes. So the next few clips are going to be the nighttime ambiance and vibes on Main Street at Magic Kingdom. If you like these types of clips, let me know because I would love to do more of these because I love doing these so much. Look at how beautiful this is. I can just look at this view all day long, or all night I should say. We just got done riding the rides. It is now 10:26, so I'm just getting some nighttime vibes for you guys. This isn't my normal long video. I just wanted to just take in some of the nighttime at Disney. But on our way out, I think we're gonna stop and get a pin set. You guys saw in my last video, if you watched it, that I did finish my character folding fans, and now I'm ready to start another one. So I think we're gonna stop at a store on the way out and see what else we have. It's been such a nice evening. We've been here for about 3 hours. We rode 4 rides. I'll put it here. And then we had dinner and just taking in all the nighttime vibes. I forget how much I love the theme parks at night with all the lights. It's just absolutely beautiful. Home, and it's actually the next day. It is the Sunday, and we are just relaxing, so don't mind the way I look. I am ready to open up the pins. This is the set that Joe and I chose to try for our next mystery pin set. This is the Magical Mystery Pins Series 27, the Princess Candles, I believe is what it's called from what I have researched. There are 6 pins to this collection. So you have Ariel, Snow White, Mulan, Jasmine, Aurora, and Belle. And there is a 1 pin per package. And I did get 4 packages. So maybe we'll get lucky and get 4 out of the 6 pins. So let's try and see if we're lucky today. All right, package number 1, shake it for good luck. All right, these packages are a little different than the other ones, so I'm gonna use scissors because it was pretty hard for me to open up. All right, as always, a camera sees first. So let's see how we do. That is going to be my first candle. And oh, we got Jasmine. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. Oh, I love these. I'm so excited. All right, so we got Jasmine. Package number 2, here we go. Got a snippet, and camera sees first. Oh, we got Ariel. How cute. I love with the flame here, it looks like a Mickey ear with like the backing. All right, we're off to a good start. We got 2 out of the 6. So exciting. All right, package number 3. Shake it for good luck. Snip it. And here we go. Oh no. We got a duplicate already. We got Ariel. All right, that's okay. We'll just go for pin trading. All right, last package. Here we go. All right, let's at least get 3 out of the 6. That would make me very happy. Oh, Snow White. How exciting. Very cool. So we got 3 out of the 6. Not too shabby. So we got Snow White, Ariel, and Jasmine. That is so exciting. And then we got another Ariel. I'm really excited. These pins are really cute. I'm really excited to start this collection. Very cool. I'm very excited. All right, so that is pretty cool. We got 3 out of the 6. I know this was a totally different type of video than my longer videos, but I just wanted to go take in all the nighttime ambiance and vibes. It just reminds me how much I love going to the parks at nighttime. So I hope you guys like these kind of videos. If you do, let me know because I love doing all the vibey ambiance stuff. So if you guys love these kind of videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you are notified anytime that I post a new video. Again, if there's any of your favorite sit-down restaurants at Magic Kingdom, I would love to know. That chicken sandwich is now my favorite thing to get at a sit-down restaurant at Magic Kingdom. There's a bunch of good snacks, but sit down, I feel like Magic Kingdom lacks a little bit. But we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.